everyone, this is Sudeepti, mental fitness and transformation coach, once again in front of you with another topic, the most interesting topic, part of our life, that is choices you make makes you. So it is completely up to us that what kind of choices we are making, because we are the decision makers of our life. No matter our parents are saying something, no matter our friends are saying something, we are under peer pressure. They have the lucky parents, they have money, they have this, they have that. We can crib also. We can say that we don't have money, we don't have facilities, we don't have family members to support. I am alone, I am an orphan. But again, the choice is in my hand. I can also say that my parents left me long back. I can also say lot of struggles which I have faced. I can also say that I was going through a very rough phase of my life. Since last one and a half year, I have lost many important pillars of my life. Yes, I have lost many important pillars of my life. But then it was my choice to stop there, keep crying, keep cribbing, or choose the better quality of life so that I can make them feel proud who have gone there, right? So it was completely my choice. Exactly the same, it is your choice. So if you feel that the quality of life you are living as of now is perfectly fine, you are happy, you are contented, then absolutely fine. We are the result, we are the outcomes of the choices we have made in our past. So if you are contented, absolutely fine. But if you are not contented, if you are feeling frustrated, if you are feeling guilty, if you are feeling irritated, if you feel lonely often, if you feel that no one is supporting you, if you feel that no one is giving you any importance, if you feel that I am weak in communication, if you feel that I am unable to speak in front of people, if you feel that I have low confidence, I have low self-esteem, if you feel that no one is supporting me, then boss, you need to take charge of your life. You need to correct the choices you have made in the past. Stop cribbing and take charge of your life. There are a lot of people all around who are saying kat rahi hai zindagi, kaat rahe hain hum, because they don't know where they are going. So it is just like Alice, while going through the wonderland, was just passing by and she asked the caterpillar, Mr. Caterpillar, where do I need to go? Where should I go? Should I go left or should I go right? Caterpillar asked, my child, my doll, where do you want to go? She said, I don't know. Then Caterpillar said, then how does it make any difference? If you don't know where to go, you either go to left, either go to right. How does that make a difference? So if you don't know that you want to go to Mumbai or you want to go to Malaysia, then sit in rickshaw and go anywhere. How does that make a difference? You can take cycle, you can walk, you can do anything, you can sleep. So you can just simply waste time and blame others, and you can just focus on excuses. But if you focus on what is it which I can do now, what is it that I can do now to correct the rest of the life. Yes, I can blame my boss because he shouts a lot. Yes, I can blame the situations because many of the family members on whom I was dependent have passed, so I could have blamed the situation. But it is my choice. I am alive, so I have to take control. So now you have to, what I did is I just asked one question from myself. What is happening, whatever is happening now, what is it that I can do now in order to get better and make them feel better and feel proud on me? So I just thought that much, because आप कुछ भी कर लो, किसी पर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. It is you who will be suffering, it is you who will be happy. So better to focus on you, because you are there, that's why everyone is there. So better you take care of your happiness first. If you are happy within, then you will make everyone happy. So what you need to do, what we generally do, how we make these choices, there are different aspects on the basis of which we make choices. We make choices on the basis of our past experience. We make choices on the basis of what we see, what we listen, and what we talk. Now when we talk, what kind of people are we sitting with, we are spending our time with? So because there is a saying, there is a research which says that we are the average of those 5 people with whom we are spending our maximum time. So just look at your life and ध्यान से देखिए इस इंसान के साथ 5 लोग वो कौन है जिनके साथ आप सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम बिता रहे हैं. So just focus on your life and identify who are those 5 people with whom you are spending your most of the time. You will be the average of those 5. So be very careful, and then your gut feeling. So these are the basis of which we decide and we make choices. So even if you have faced a lost kind of life, a worst variety of life, a pathetic life, then also take charge of your life and take these few actions. The very first action step which you need to take for better choices is identify what is the goal of your life. Don't take a bigger goal, just take a smaller goal, that for next 3 months, what are the things which you want to learn. Just take a small goal. And in case if you have a bigger goal for 5 years, for 2 years, for 1 year, absolutely fantastic. Focus on that. But then you should know that why you have chosen this goal, why you want to achieve this goal. Your why should be very clear. So what is your goal? That is 1. And 2, why you want to achieve this goal. The third thing is that who can help you pursue this goal, who all can help you, what all circumstances can help you to reach this goal, achieve this goal. Now the fourth and most important thing is you have to focus that where are you spending your time. Who are those people with whom you are spending your time? Are these people taking you one step closer to your goal? Yes, go on. No, change. Second question, you have to see, are you spending most of your time reading something which is very productive and taking you one step closer to your goal? Yes, go on. No, change. If you feel that you are spending your time listening to something really very productive and taking you one step closer to your goal, go ahead. If you feel no, change. And if you feel that you are thinking something very productive which is improving the quality of your life, then please keep thinking what you are thinking. Keep saying what you are saying. But if you think that nothing is working, I even drink water and I get fat. If you think that this is working for you, please keep on thinking it and please keep on saying it. But believe me, you will never ever lose your weight. But if you focus, that if you say that now I have started doing exercise, now I have started getting focused on my diet, and slowly and gradually I know that I will reduce because I have started reducing. And you will, I can guarantee, I can bet on it, within 21 days, people will start saying that yes, you are reducing. I can guarantee. So if you are thinking and this thinking is taking you in the right direction, closer to your goal, keep thinking. Otherwise, change your thinking as well. Just look at what is happening in your life. I am not asking you to change something. I am just saying look at the quality of your life and take actions accordingly in order to keep this $1 billion personality very happy, because आपकी खुशी में मेरी खुशी है. So I just want this $1 billion personality to be very happy, because this life is very easy. This life is not a race, like Veer Sahasrabudri said. Right? So this life is really very simple. It's just the way we look at it, because जैसी दृष्टि वैसी सृष्टि, नजरें बदलो नज़ारे बदल जाएंगे. So there are a lot of sayings, lot of metaphors we see and we come across. It's just that it is the time to take action. So after exploring all these things, after identifying all these things, analyzing all these things, keep exploring that what else you can read, what else skills you can add into your yourself, what other people you can reach up to. And in case if you don't have people around who can help you to reach your goal, then ask Google Baba what to read, what to watch. Google Baba will tell you the people, the experts in your domain, and you have to read them, their written books and their videos, and they will help you to reach your goal. Instead of wasting time, please do something really productive which can give you happiness instead of cribbing and sitting on a nail. Right? So take right choices, and if your quality of life is not good, if you are not satisfied with it, please make right choices. I recommend everyone, please, once this is the right time, once please explore, look at your life with a sound mind, look at your life, what is happening, and start taking action now. So with this hope that this simple process would add value to your life, I will come again. Bye bye.